Hi everyone, and welcome to the Mobile Exam Preparation course. Today we're going to be covering mobile overview, bidding and targeting, mobile ads, and measurement. So let's get started with mobile overview and the impact of mobile. More people than ever are living their lives on multiple screens. Smartphone ownership continues to expand as more affordable devices and data plans hit the market. From 2011 to 2013, smartphone adoption in the US grew from 36 to 61%. Tablet owners associated with highly disposable incomes represent increasingly mainstream demographics. Consumers use smartphones, tablets, and computers to interact with businesses 24/7. 4 in 5 consumers use search engines to find products, services, or experiences nearby. 84% use search engines on computers or tablets, and 88% do so on smartphones. 70% of top retailers offer mobile apps. 78% of fast food chains, 75% of casual dining brands, 77% of big box retailers, 59% of specialty stores, and 58% of grocery stores have mobile apps. Mobile has increased the opportunity your customers have to reach out to you or a competitor. In turn, new opportunities have opened up for conversions. But because of the different screen size, functionality, and context, the path to conversion on mobile isn't identical to that on a desktop or tablet. A mobile conversion doesn't necessarily entail filling in an online shopping cart and checking out. It can be a customer searching for store directions, calling your business directly, or visiting in person. It can be an app download that leads to a purchase, or a shopping process that starts on mobile and finishes on a computer or tablet later in the day. Mobile searches are extremely valuable for the kind of actions people take as a result of their searches. Most smartphone users do research in-store as they shop, using brick-and-mortar stores more to the product and then purchase online later. You can use the consumer barometer to understand the multi-screen world, the smart shopper, and the smart viewer. The multi-screen world aims to quantify and understand internet usage and attitudes across various devices. The smart shopper focuses on the consumer purchase journey and the role of the internet in making purchase decisions. The smart viewer provides insights into people's recent online video use across different devices. Mobile offers additional avenues for consumers to interact with your business. Apps offer a unique way to engage your best customers, including connecting through social and gaming. They can also aid the offline experience, driving e-commerce, engagement, and loyalty. The biggest challenges of promoting an app are driving discovery and installation, driving engagement, and driving conversions of your most valuable customers. We'll discuss these in more detail and suggest some potential solutions for overcoming them. To promote an app effectively, try to communicate your brand well, offer convenience and value to users, promote consistently, motivate users to return, identify the users that you want to bring back, proactively reach out and offer something unique, and direct customers to sections of the app that are relevant to them. And finally, engage in relevant contexts. Consumers may be trying to reach businesses like yours at any point during the day from a wide variety of channels. So try to offer different solutions for each scenario. Driving calls. Consumers want the option of being able to call, and they're calling more frequently. It's important that you fine-tune relevance and convenience to mobile consumers. Call extensions let customers click to call directly from search ads. Call-only ads for click-to-call buttons. Enable Google forwarding numbers to see which keywords, ads, and campaigns are driving phone calls. Understand your ROI and make better decisions about ad spending and bidding. And measuring conversions made by phone calls. Drive online sales. Focus messaging so it meets true mobile-first needs. Fine-tune relevance to mobile consumers by using right ad formats. Use context-powered bidding to deliver ads in more targeted ways. It's crucial to account for all mobile conversions, not just online commerce orders happening on your mobile site, so that you don't underinvest in mobile. Drive store sales. People may be visiting brick and mortar stores less, but when they do, they're more ready to buy and buying more. So here are some ways to drive sales. Use location bid adjustments to reach customers near your locations. These raise bids by your set percentage. Your ad gets higher rank and more visibility when customers are close by. Use the right format. Give shoppers the information they need before and after they arrive, such as store hours, local inventory, and directions. Promote your store on Google Maps. Ads include a title, ad text, and link for directions, and they work both on desktop and mobile. Add local information to text ads. Let people call directly from your ad or add a location extension. Help shoppers find products in store with image-based local inventory ads, which show only when a product is available at a nearby store. Measure the offline impact of your online spend. The AdWords Geographic Report can help you see performance at different levels of targeting and identify location bid adjustment opportunities. Optimize for the omni-channel performance. Budgeting and bidding decisions must incorporate the value of consumers' offline actions that were influenced by online advertising. Omni-channel seeks to provide a seamless shopping experience, whether the customer is shopping online from a desktop or mobile device, by phone, or in a brick-and-mortar store. Start with Google My Business. When consumers do searches related to your business, it shows your location, store hours, and phone number. Now, let's talk about building awareness. You need to be able to guarantee reaching your audience when they use different devices and guarantee that your ad can be seen. With Google's mass reach and scale across platforms and devices, you can build awareness with guaranteed viewability across screens. Your target audience is likely spending time across sites on the Google Display Network and YouTube. Here's how you can build brand awareness. Tell a rich story with eye-catching ads. Make sure your ads get attention and tell the story you want. Video is a great way to grab people's attention and make sure they see and remember your brand message. Choose where you want to reach your audience. To reach the right people at the right time, target the right content, and buy it efficiently. Pay only when your ad is viewable. Buy viewable impressions to make every impression count. When you pay only for impressions that can be seen, you make your campaign budget go further. Measure and optimize against metrics that matter. Connect more with your audience and optimize on the fly so you're truly running in the most efficient way possible. Be sure to measure what matters, your brand impact. Here are Google's selling points. Mobile reach. First, there are more than 650,000 apps, and we are the top mobile search engine. We have the Display Network as well as YouTube and Gmail. Use ad formats to drive engagement and value. Advertisers can reach audiences wherever they are on the web and not just in a single app. World-class bid by distance and location targeting tools. Campaign performance and tracking optimization. Conversion optimizer for apps. AdWords takes into account dozens of signals such as location, time of day and device, and adjusts bids accordingly across search and display networks. And confirmed clicks. Mobile display ads help prevent accidental clicks by confirming intentions. Auto exclusions, which prevent ads from being shown to users who have already downloaded the app. Integration with Google Play for tracking and targeting. And similar app installers target users with similar download history. In-app purchasers with codeless Android app install tracking. Now, let's talk about optimizing your site for mobile. Mobile sites and mobile apps each cater to different audiences. Apps excel at driving engagement and loyalty, but most traffic will come from the web. When designing a mobile site, consider the entire experience and don't simply fit your desktop site to a mobile screen. Here are some effective design principles for mobile. Simple navigation. Quick to load images and other media files. Streamlined text. Large touch targets to make it easier for users to navigate. Using a mobile-specific display URL allows you to indicate your landing page is mobile-friendly. Here are some best practices for designing a mobile experience. Offer user entertainment, utility, or both. Design your app for the largest mobile platforms. Consider developing hybrid apps that work across smartphones and tablets. Build made-for-app experiences. Don't just port mobile website into an app. Promote your app to grow its user base. And think past the installation. How can you actively engage a user base to drive incremental transactions and sales? Let's talk about bidding and targeting, and start with mobile bid adjustments. Just as with desktop AdWords campaigns, mobile uses bidding and targeting to determine where and when ads are shown. By setting bid adjustments, you can increase or decrease your bids to gain more control over how consumers see your ads. For example, you can adjust your bids to be more or less competitive within specific devices, location, or time of day. Your bids can also be adjusted based on how your ads perform to help manage your budget and maximize ROI. It's also important to utilize conversion data to adjust the role mobile plays in your campaign. If your conversion data indicates that mobile is driving more value than desktop, you'll want to increase your mobile bid to capitalize on success. To optimize your mobile bid, divide your mobile conversion rate by your desktop conversion rate. To do this in AdWords, click Segment and choose Device. Selecting a campaign with a good amount of data and use the estimated total conversion column to divide your mobile rate by computer rate, then subtract 1. Keywords. Again, just as with desktop campaigns, it's important for advertisers with mobile campaigns to select the right keywords for the best results. You can use the Display Planner or Keyword Planner for your display and search campaigns. The Display Planner is a tool that provides ideas and estimates to help you plan a display network campaign based on your customer's interests or your landing page. Targeting ideas include keywords, placements in websites, videos, mobile apps, or app categories, topics, and interests based on affinities or in-market segments, demographics, and remarketing. Each idea comes with impressions and historical costs. The Keyword Planner provides keyword ideas and traffic estimates to help you build a search network campaign. It provides keywords ideas based on terms you use to describe your product or service or keywords that you upload. Using the tool, you can also view historical statistics and traffic estimates of your keywords relevant to your campaign. Targeting. Advertisers can reach people who are using mobile phones and tablets by showing ads within apps. Just as with desktop, you can target mobile ads on the search or display network. On the search network, you can target by keyword, location, target users within a certain radius of a store or location, and language and device. On the Google Display Network, you can target your ad contextually on websites relevant to your customers, by keyword, by topic, by specific site placement, by audience segment, by app placement, and by device. Advanced options also exist, allowing you to target specific operating systems, device models, or carriers. Mobile-specific bidding strategies. Mobile and desktop drive different value. It's important to adjust your bid for each campaign based on the value you see from mobile. As mentioned previously, you can use conversion data to assess which channel drives more value. For example, when conversion data shows that mobile drives more value, increase your mobile bid. There are two main types of bidding: automatic and flexible. Automatic bidding is the simplest AdWords bidding strategy and lets you put your bidding on autopilot with the goal of getting the most possible clicks within your budget. Simply set a daily budget, and AdWords helps adjust your cost per click to receive the most possible clicks within your budget. It helps save time as well. Flexible bidding uses your created strategies to automatically set bids to optimize for your performance goals across specific campaigns, ad groups, and keywords. Strategies you can use include maximize clicks, that gets the most clicks within a target amount. Use when site visits are your primary goal. Target search page location, to get your ads to the top of the page of the first page of search results. Use this when you want more visibility. Target outranking share. This outranks another domain's ads in search results. Target cost per acquisitions, which helps you get as many conversions as possible. Enhance CPC. Adjust your bid up or down based on how likely a click is to lead to a conversion. When conversions are the main objective, but you want to control your keyword bids, this is best. Target return on ad spend. This maximizes conversion value while trying to reach an average return on ad spend. Use this when you value conversions differently and want to meet a target return on ad spend. Remarketing. App remarketing lets you target people who've used your app. Some uses for app remarketing include showing app engagement ads announcing a new feature to people who currently use your app, reminding people who downloaded your app but haven't been using it recently, encouraging people to upgrade to the latest version of your app. You can even segment your target audience based on past actions in order to enhance your return on investment and relevance to users. For example, an advertiser can show a particular ad to people who've made a purchase in its app. An app developer can promote a paid version of a game to users who've reached a certain level in the free version. To run a mobile remarketing campaign, you'll need to set up a remarketing list. You can also incorporate usage data that lets you create remarketing lists based on how frequently a customer is using an app, and remarket based on this information. Reporting usage data on Android or iOS is possible using the AdWords conversion tracking and remarketing SDK, or the server-to-service solution. We'll review these solutions more in depth when we cover conversion tracking. Now, let's talk about mobile ads and start with a network overview. Advertisers can reach mobile users by running ads across the Google network. You can use search to allow people to discover their app or encourage them to re-engage with it after download. For instance, if someone is searching for travel deals, showing her a travel app or website could be relevant and useful. You can use display to reach people while they're using other websites or apps. This lets you increase awareness of your apps, attract new app users who may not be actively searching. There are two different ad networks. AdMob network. App developers use the AdMob software development kit to display ads in their apps. It is not owned by AdWords. And mobile Google display data. Comprised of mobile websites and apps, you can use keyword contextual targeting, placement, topic, demographic, interest, and remarketing. YouTube can also play an important role in mobile campaign. You can promote an app within the YouTube app on a device. Ad extensions are extra pieces of information about your business in an AdWords text ad. They include call extensions to show your phone number or call button. This is especially helpful in making it easier for people to call you on the go. Remember, you need an active call extension or call-only ad before you can set up conversion tracking for your calls. Location extensions let you put your business location alongside your ad, including your address, phone number, and map marker. Site link extensions let you add links to specific pages on your website right below the text ad. On desktop, you can display up to 6 extensions, and on mobile, up to 4. You can create mobile-specific site links if you would like to direct mobile users specifically to a certain page on your site. App extensions allow you to link to your mobile or tablet app from your text ad. Clicking on this link can either lead to your app's description in the App Store or simply begin downloading. And you only pay when someone interacts with your extension. Now that you have an understanding of where advertisers can run their ads, let's explore what types of mobile ads can run. Mobile text ads look the same regardless of what platform they're viewed on, but mobile users will see less per page. Mobile image ads are similar to normal image ads that you'd see on a desktop computer, but on a mobile, you can link either to a mobile site or app. App engagement ads are ideal for advertisers who want to drive users back to apps after installation and are focused on connecting with people who already have the app. Mobile app install campaigns allow you to create custom app install ads that run exclusively on phones and tablets. AdWords can help you create the ads based on your app icon and reviews, which will take people straight to the App Store to download it. App promotion ads are the easiest and most effective way to drive downloads, as much of customization is done for you. These ads can be run across the search and display network. An advertiser should use an app extension instead of an app promotion ad with keywords intended to direct users to a mobile site, but you still want to show the option to download the app. Google also offers a variety of video formats that run seamlessly cross-screen. Video masthead. It appears on the homepage of all YouTube and mobile and tablet properties, including the Android native mobile app, the iOS app, and m.youtube.com. With YouTube mastheads, you can get 100% share of the voice, not just on the desktop YouTube site, but also across screens with the YouTube mobile app and the YouTube app. TrueView InStream. This runs on videos served on YouTube watch pages or within display network videos, games, and apps. Viewers can skip the ad after 5 seconds. If the ad is not skipped, the view count is incremented when it's completely viewed or at the 30-second mark. A view is also recorded if someone takes action. Reserve in-stream ads. Reservation booked, skippable, and non-skippable. TrueView in display. Banner template with video thumbnail and text description. In AdWords, you can create and manage video campaigns using the TrueView family of the cost-per-view video ad formats. Google offers an array of flexible ad formats to meet advertiser brand needs. Lightbox was designed specifically for mobile. It renders responsively on any screen. It's optimized for taps and swipes on mobile devices and delivers rich media and video. Viewable CPM measures in real time whether or not a display ad is rendered on a screen and for how long. Advertisers who buy viewable impressions only pay 50% if their display ad is on screen for more than 1 second. This helps avoid paying for wasted impressions. In-app display. If you want to experiment with advertising in mobile apps, simply track the performance of your ads that were placed in mobile apps through the display network. If you want to reach certain categories of apps or know of apps you want to target, create display networks campaigns devoted to mobile apps. App promotion ads are a templated way to create text, banner, image, and interstitial ads to drive people to an app store. These ads run on search and display networks on mobile and in apps, and they're the most effective creative formats for driving app downloads. With mobile app install campaigns, an advertiser can focus an entire campaign on getting more people to download the app. Once they select the app they'll want to promote, we'll help customize the rest of the campaign targeting and ads to increase app installs. Keep in mind that more downloads could improve the App Store ranking, which could result in even more people downloading the app. App install ads are another key part of mobile app install campaigns. They link directly to the Google Play Store, making it a cinch for people to download the app. Mobile app install campaigns on the display network lets you show ads to people while they're already using apps similar to yours. Because these campaigns include default targeting, you'll need to specify the devices, device model, and operating system version for the apps where your ad can appear. Mobile app install campaigns on the search network help people on mobile devices who are already looking for apps or businesses like yours discovering the app you're promoting. TrueView for mobile app promotion campaigns allow you to use videos to describe your app. These campaigns help you reach people on YouTube who are watching or have watched content relevant to your app or who have interests related to your app. Mobile app engagement campaigns are a great choice for advertisers focused on getting people who've installed their app or try the app again, or open it and take specific action. These ads allow flexibility for counting conversions, bidding, and targeting. It's extremely important for an advertiser to re-engage with someone who's already downloaded an app in order to try to prevent it from being abandoned. Use remarketing lists to show ads to specific groups based on whether or not they've recently used the app, the specific version of the app they are using, the action they have taken within the app. Deep links within ads go directly to more targeted and specific pages or sections in an app. A custom app URL scheme allows users to open your app from within other apps. The scheme is part of the link that identifies which app to open. You can use the HTTP or custom scheme, but typically the website name appears in reverse. For example, example.com becomes com.example as a scheme. Conversion tracking and remarketing tags. Search network app engagement. Bidding, keywords, ads with deep links. Now let's go on to talk about measurement and the full value of mobile. The full value of mobile promotes the idea that mobile conversions are about much more than just mobile commerce, and that conversions in a store, via phone, or on a desktop may have originated from a mobile phone. Conversions in store, via phone, or on desktop may have originated from mobile. Cross-device. When a consumer searches on one device and converts on another, it does not matter the order of the device usage. Calls. When a consumer searches on a device but calls to make a purchase. In-store. When a consumer searches on a device but goes in-store to make the purchase. In-app. When a consumer searches on a device but ends up converting in the app. With AdWords for Mobile, you can measure consumer actions to see the full value of mobile and make better budget decisions. When adapting measurement for mobile, consider how valuable calls, app downloads, store visits, and cross-device conversions are. Do they vary in value and success rate? What mobile actions do you want customers to take? Conversion tracking can show how effectively ad clicks lead to valuable customer activity, such as website purchases, phone calls, app downloads, and newsletter signups. This helps understand how well keywords, ads, ad groups, and campaigns are working. Let's take advantage of an advanced flexible bid strategy such as target cost per acquisition and target return on ad spend. There are two types of app conversion tracking. App downloads. This is tracked when a user downloads or installs an app for the first time. And in-app conversions, tracked when a user takes a specific action within a mobile app. What's considered a conversion will vary across Google networks. On the search and display network, it's as defined by the advertiser. For app promotion ads, a conversion is an app install or an in-app conversion. On YouTube, a conversion is either view through, 30 seconds or all of the video watched, or a click through, which is a billable event. So, implementing app conversion tracking. As per the full value of mobile, it's crucial to measure and attribute value to all mobile conversions, not just online commerce orders. It's recommended that you set up your apps to track all conversions, including signing up for purchases, phone calls, app downloads, and newsletter signups. Android app conversion tracking is available across all of Google's networks: mobile search, mobile display, AdMob, and YouTube. You can track two types of conversions for Android mobile applications: app downloads and in-app conversions. Android app download conversion tracking is unique because Google owns the Play Store and has access to install counts for any app from it. It's great for speed of implementation. The software development kit used when an app developer puts AdWords conversion tracking SDK in an app. This is useful for tracking events and other user activities that happen in-app for remarketing. Using a third-party conversion tracking company allows you to use a single SDK instead of two. Remember that if it's not implemented correctly, adding the SDK and conversion tracking code could result in errors in the app. And server to server. This lets customers to send the required details for AdWords app conversion tracking from their server to Google's server at the time of the conversion event. App install confirmation. This provides the option to use the Google SDK or server-to-server solution in order to track Android conversions at the time of the app open event. iOS conversion tracking is available for AdMob and YouTube, and it's not supported on mobile search or mobile display. Unlike conversion tracking for Android, where we offer a codeless alternative, iOS requires installation tracking code through the SDK or setting up server-to-server conversion feeds. You can track two types of conversions for iOS mobile apps: app download and in-app conversions. The software development kit used when app developers put AdWords conversion tracking SDK in an app is useful for tracking events and other user activities that happen in-app for remarketing. Server-to-server, like Android server-to-server conversion tracking on iOS, lets customers send details for the AdWords app conversion tracking from the server to the Google server at the time of the conversion event. Install feedback conversion tracking. The iOS App Install Confirmation is a feedback mechanism that lets customers and third-party tracking companies get confirmation from Google every time an iOS app install event can be attributed to AdWords ad, click, or view. Third-party app analytics companies exist that provide similar services to Google Analytics, but specifically for mobile apps. They also tell advertisers and app developers which of their new users came from recent advertising clicks or views. The reason app advertisers depend on this information is because the app ad network marketplace is very fragmented. Many app advertisers use 20 or more advertising networks, each of which have their own SDK to track performance. However, this creates a lot of extra code to maintain, and it can slow performance as well. Third-party tracking companies instead provide one SDK to add to your app, and they take care of communicating with each ad network behind the scenes to tell the advertiser which installs came from which network on a single dashboard. Also, upgraded URLs help advertisers with third-party conversion tracking manage a single tracking URL at the campaign and ad group, an ad level that is separate from the landing page URL. Google Analytics lets you measure visitor activity on a mobile website or app. It can be used to find out how many people visit a site, how much time is spent there, and where the traffic is coming from. Remember that you do need edit permission for Google Analytics an account and technical knowledge of your app development environment to set up mobile app analytics. There are several types of reports in Google Analytics that allow you to access this information. The App Overview Report summarizes data from all mobile app analytics reports and allows you to assess the general health of your app and to follow data trends. The Audience Report provides data about people using your app, where, how often, and for how long you use the app and on which devices. The Acquisition Report gives you data about how often your mobile apps are installed and opened. The New Users Report identifies characteristics of user groups adopting the app. The Sources Report shows which channel you can optimize to attract more downloads and launches. The Google Play Referral Flow Report displays app downloads and installs from the Play Store. The Behavior Report shows how users interact with the app, including the total number of screens seen per session, the order in which screens were viewed, and the number of technical errors. And that brings us to the end of the mobile exam guide. Make sure to review all the resources for your exam, and best of luck.